Today's video is Evil Kaden destroys my alarm clock / grounded.
Man, I really hate Cameron. Why? Because he makes grounded videos out of me and my friends. I wonder what I should do. Oh, I have an idea. I'm going to destroy Cameron's alarm clock. Ha 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 ha.
When Evil Kaden got to my house,
There's Cameron's alarm clock. Now let's destroy it. Yes! I destroy Cameron's alarm clock. Now let's run away before I get caught.
oh no! My alarm clock. Who destroyed my alarm clock? Wait a minute, I think I know who destroyed my alarm clock. It was Evil Kaden, and I'm going to call his normal clone about this. Meanwhile with Evil Kaden.
Since I destroy Cameron's alarm clock, I'm going to. My evil clone, 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 my evil clone. Get downstairs right now. Ugh, what do you want from me? My evil clone. Cameron just called me that you destroy his alarm clock. Did you do that? Tell me the truth right now. Yes! I destroy Cameron's alarm clock. My evil clone. How dare you destroy Cameron's alarm clock? And now he needs a new one. Thanks to you, that's it. You are grounded for 4 weeks. Go to your room right now. What?